The complainant Janak Kishore, popularly known as Rajan Jha, stated that he, along with his family, missed the train to Mahakumbh 2025 since the railway employees did not assist him, and this deprived him of a once in a lifetime opportunity to be a part of the Holy Amrit Snan. What specifically took place? Incident details. Date of journey January 27, 2025. Train Swatantrata Senani Express. Destination Prayagraj for Mahakumbh. Issue locked train doors and railway staff's failure to assist. Jaha had booked AC 3 tickets for himself and his family. However, upon arrival at Muzaffarpur Junction, he found that the coach doors were locked from inside. Despite repeated pleas, no railway staff helped open the doors and the train left without them. Overcrowding prevented them from boarding another coach. Jha approached the station master and GRP personnel for help, but no alternative arrangements were made, causing them to miss the Mahakumbh pilgrimage. Legal action taken. Rajan Jha has served a legal notice to the Indian Railway Board demanding full refund of ticket price with interest, 50 lakh rupees compensation for mental, physical and spiritual loss. Jha argues that missing the Mahakumbh cost him and his family the chance to perform Amrit Snan, a sacred ritual believed to occur once in 144 years, crucial for spiritual liberation. Consumer Protection Act violence. His legal counsel, Advocate S.K. Jha, has filed the claim under the Consumer Protection Act, citing deficiency in service by the railway, failure to ensure safe boarding for passengers, emotional and financial distress caused to the complainant. The notice grants the railway 15 days to respond. If they fail to compensate, Jha has vowed to file a lawsuit in court. The next 15 days will determine whether the railway compensates Jha or faces legal actions. What do you think? Should Indian Railways take responsibility for this incident? A full refund of the ticket amount with interest, 50 lakh rupees as compensation for the physical, mental and spiritual loss caused by the railway's negligence. Jha has given the railway 15 days to respond. If no action is taken within the given time, he will file a lawsuit in an appropriate court. Consumer rights and negligence claims. S.K. Jha attorneys claimed that because the railway breached its duty of care, this action is covered under the Consumer Protection Act. He maintained that in addition to financial loss, the railway's failure to guarantee that customers could board their trains safely caused mental and spiritual suffering. What's next? The case highlights a growing concern over a poor railway management and overcrowding. Will Indian Railways acknowledge the mistake and compensate the passenger, or will this case turn into a legal battle? The next 15 days will decide. Do you think the railways should be held accountable? Share your thoughts.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth, and visit our website www.topstoriesworld.com.